Alright guys, what's up? Torque converter's going in today. Very excited, very happy. Was sitting been waiting about 2 weeks for this. And headed out to my buddy's shop. Same guy that did the cam, same place. Another Saturday. Gonna be a fun day. Another long day. I don't know how long. Hopefully not as long as the cam. But see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes well and safely. And maybe I'll get some 0 to 60 runs in with the torque converter. Have a good one. Don't you love working on transmissions, Steve? Say hi.
No. Fucking jerk off to get to.
Look at my little four-wheel drive
Yeah, that
drive shaft.
Nothing. You getting video again?
Oh, of course I got a video of this. Bye-bye, white pipe. Let's start her up.
Yeah.
Open header right now, right?
Great idea. Shit that you think would hurt me, does it? I'm not trying to have your transmission fall off.
I hear you.
I ain't picking it the fuck up.
As I point the camera down to the ground because I heard something. The trans is out. Literally.
just a little bit of coolant.
Just because the weight's in the back.
Yep. Fucker, it's burning fucking hot.
Alright. Stock converter's
Why
out.
do we do everything with fucking hot motors and shit?
Alright, because we drive here at 100 miles an hour.
Not good point. I'm not going to argue. I'm only going to put this cord in it, and we're going to let the truck fill it. We'll adjust the transfer then. Home. There's proof right here. Make sure you get proof. Proof. Just trying to help, Nick.
New converter's in. Trans is going up soon.
We'll talk about this thread. Put my head again.
Everything going back into the truck. So the converter's in, trans is in too?
4 more bolts.
4 more bolts, trans is in.
But the trans and the block are tight.
Okay. And then everything gets bolted back up. And we're going to start at open header. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm not doing this twice, Nick.
Last piece of the puzzle.
Yeah. Come right here. Right where I was working.
Alright guys, stall's in, and just want to talk to you about how the install went great, smoothly. Did it in about 4.5, 5 hours. Initial thoughts, I never driven a stalled vehicle before, I'm not going to lie. Most of my cars were manual before this, and I never really raced a stalled vehicle. This is my first. But you can feel it, it is loose in the beginning, which is what it's supposed to be. And it's so far, it seems like it's stalling up to about, I did one initial hit, a little over 3 grand. I don't know, close to 34, I guess you could say. It's hard to really say. I'm trying to pay attention to the road and look at the speedometer. But so far I like it, and it hits. You can feel it. Instantly hit the torque. Pulls much harder. I will get a 0 to 60. Can't do it right now. I'm driving. I have places to be. This was a last second install because I was supposed to be somewhere, but I got it done anyway. But yeah, I'll get some footage on 0 to 60 and show you how hard it launches, the difference, where its stall speed, where the stall speed is. And I want to get to the track as soon as possible. Hopefully I'm not getting to the track in 100-degree weather, but if I have to, I will. And it's all, it should run great. Even in this heat, it should help out a lot. And I'm very excited to see what it does, what I can run, especially once the weather breaks and fall comes. I want to see what this truck can really do. It's running 12.5 now, hopefully low 12s. I don't know what to expect, because this is all beta tested. It's the first one, not the first one, one of the first ones to really get a the converter on an 8-speed. But I'll probably be one of the first ones to actually really go to the track after the other guys. They don't even know what the hell they're doing. They just like to go and street race. Well, I don't do that shit. I like to get results. I don't need to line up against Johnny in his 1995 Camaro that thinks is fast. I'll fucking walk that thing. So, more results are coming. Have a good one.